Hi guys, once again I'm with you. Today my topic is art of giving. Art of giving is not exchanging the gifts which usually we do on the festivals like Diwali. The true art of giving is called generosity. Generosity means simple giving without expecting anything in return. Now the question arises, what can we give? Nowadays, everyone is leading a very busy life with limited resources. Here comes the reply. With limited resources, leading a very happy life, what little you can spare out of your pocket, out of your time. I'm very sure there is a will, there is definitely a way. Now, on the top of giving comes the money. I understand it is very, very difficult to spare little money from your pocket, as everybody is leading a very tight life today because the life is very expensive and becomes very difficult to take out some money and give for charity. But if you do so in such condition, that is great. That is something amazing. Because as a law of nature, what we give comes back in 10 folds. It means it will come back to us in abundance. Now, what are the other things which we can give? We can contribute our time, ability, talent, knowledge, art, morality, spirituality, encouragement, beautiful compliments, lovely smiles, kindness, and love, which will not cost any money but little gesture, little initiative. If you look and hunt for people who will be very, very happy and uplift their life from what you give, any of the above mentioned things, it will be really nice. Doing anything honorary without expecting will boost your social skills, expand your network, make new friends, make you happier, make your physical and mental body really uplifted, and you will become a positive and optimistic person. Actually, giving is receiving, generosity is contagious. Giving should always be a secret. It should not be done while showing off. It should be between you and God, and it should be done happily and cheerfully. Some of the most successful people have tapped into the power of giving. It is the most important thing you can ever do to transform your life. By giving, you can change someone's life altogether. It means something very, very great. Actually, as far as spiritualism is concerned, it also says that 10% of our income should be given in charity. This is the very, very powerful way of accumulating your wealth, health, and your physical and mental level. Charity begins at home. Start creating a family donation box that everyone can add little in that box. Even kids can put some coins every day or every week. The gift of giving is a wonderful feeling. After all, we are social beings and living in society. We have some commitments towards the society which we must fulfill. I'm sure most of the people must be doing this beautiful thing, beautiful gesture on their own. But if not, please start. It will make you fulfill in life. It will make you healthy, wealthy, and a satisfied person, and it will give to society a lot of things. I love you guys. I hope you like my video, and I'll get back to you with something else. I love you. Have a nice time.